Hello everyone, greetings to all of you on behalf of the Marian family. I am Aviral Srivastava, the assistant head boy.
And I am Priyanshi Dubey, Assistant Literary Minister of St. Mary's Coed School, Harda. We welcome you to the Marian's News Bulletin, updating you with the various academic and co-scholastic activities conducted during the academic session 2024-25. On 3rd April, St. Mary's Coed School, Harda reopened after the annual examination and pronouncement of results for all the classes. The new session began with the interreligious prayer service with the reading from the holy books. Students were given a cordial welcome for the new session.
On 14th June, the teachers attended a seminar on NCF, that is, National Curriculum Framework. The seminar was held in the school. The resource person for the seminar was Mrs. Uma Maheshwari. It was a great opportunity for the staff members to hone their skills.
After the summer vacation, the school once again reopened for all the classes on 19 June.
Invest Teacher ceremony was held for the newly set up school cabinet on 13 July. The newly elected office bearers took oath of office, which was administered by the chief guest, Reverend Father Ishwar Das Minch, the Vicar General of Bhopal Diocese. The cabinet members were given badges, sashes, flags according to their respective portfolio. The principal awarded the toppers of 10th and 12th board examination. It is with great pride we inform you that the Marian students excelled in board exams. Ayushi Sharma and Jyoti Dhakar both scored 96%. In class 12th math stream, it was Arya Tiwari scoring the highest 90.2%. In 12th commerce stream, it was Yash Lekhwani scoring 93.4% and Khushi Jat gaining 91%.
On 15th July, a seminar was held on the topic Personal Health and Hygiene for the girls of Standard 7 to 12th. It was conducted by Sister Vandana Joseph.
From 22nd July to 29th of July, the first periodic test was conducted.
The National Festival of Independence Day was celebrated with great patriotic fervor on 15th August 2024. The program started at sharp 7:30 am. Reverend Father Principal hoisted the tricolor flag. The program included speech, song, dance, and a beautiful display of the school band. It was concluded with the distribution of sweets.
On 5th September, the Teachers' Day was celebrated. A joyful and entertaining program was organized by the cabinet members. The program was a power pack of dances, songs, comic horror shows, etc. The program concluded by serving lunch for the teachers.
On 6th September, the teachers who rendered 25 and more years of devoted and dedicated service were felicitated. The teachers who were felicitated were Joshna Pandit Ma'am for her 29 years of devoted service,
Sunny Philippos Sir for 28 years,
Hitendra Srivastava Sir for 27 years,
Viren Tiwari Sir for 26 years,
and Santosh Ahirwar Sir for 25 years.
From 18th September to 30th September, the first terminal examination was conducted for all the classes.
From 15th October to 20th October, complete health checkup including eye and dental checkup was arranged for the students. Specialized and experienced doctors gave valuable advice to the students to keep fit and healthy. A short cultural program in view of Diwali was organized on 28th October during the school assembly. Song, dance, and a speech highlighting the importance of Diwali were presented, and thereafter the school remained closed for Diwali holidays from 29th October to 2nd November.
Children's Day was celebrated on 14th November. A short cultural program was presented by the staff members. The program comprised of dances, wishing songs, comic plays, advertisements, etc. The program was thoroughly enjoyed by the students. The acknowledgement was given by the principal. The program concluded by distribution of sweets to the students.
From 9 November to 18 November, inter-school competitions were held under the banner of Sahodaya Complex, in which our school students participated in many of the competitions and brought laurels to the school.
On 18th November, under the banner of Sahodaya Complex, inter-school quiz, debate and extempo competitions were held in the St. Mary's Co-ed School, Harda.
Inter-house sports tournament was held in the school from 27th November to 30th November. On 27th November, the sports meet was officially declared open by Principal Reverend Father Francis Maria by hoisting the national flag, school flag and the sports flag. Various sports events including individual and team games were conducted for the students house-wise.
30th November, the closing ceremony of the Inter-House Sports Tournament 2024-25 was wrapped up by giving certificates and trophies to the winners. The Red House scored the highest points and received the trophy. The sports flag was reverently handed to the principal, thus marking the end of the sports tournament.
On 8 December, a short cultural program on the occasion of Feast Day was put up in the assembly, in which the children were briefed about the life of Mother Mary, the patron of our school.
On 9 December, a short cultural gathering of staff and cabinet members was arranged in the evening at 7 p.m. in view of Mother Mary's feast day. Staff and cabinet members put up a short program. Later, all the invitees joined for the meals arranged by the school management.
A friendly basketball match was played on 10 December between male staff and the senior secondary students. The senior secondary students won the match.
From 16th to 21st December, the second periodic test was conducted.
On 21st December, Christmas celebration was held in the school after the conclusion of second periodic test at 10:30 am. The tiny tots of pre-primary section exhibited their art in dancing and singing. The main attraction of the program was the arrival of Santa Claus. The program concluded with the distribution of sweets.
From 23rd December to 1st January, the school remained closed for the winter vacation.
St. Mary's Co-ed School Harda hosted the basketball match under the banner of Kamal Yuva Khel Mahotsav on 8th January 2025, in which the trophy was lifted up by the boys team of our school and the girls team was declared the runner-up.
On 23rd January, 94 students of class 9th, escorted by 5 teachers, were taken for a one-day educational trip to Bhopal. The students were given an opportunity to visit Manav Sangrahalaya Science Center and Shaurya Smarak.
76th Republic Day was celebrated in the school on 26 January at 7:30 am. The principal, Reverend Father Francis Maria, unfurled the national flag. A short cultural program based on the patriotic theme was put up. Certificates were awarded to the entire cabinet members for the dedicated service as office bearers, and so also to the art and craft assistants and the winners of Kamal Yuva Khel Mahotsav. We are proud to inform you that the dance troupe of our school received the trophy for the third position in the dance presentation performed at the parade ground.
Throughout the year, every Saturday was observed as a bagless day for classes 1st to 8th and 3rd Saturday of every month for senior secondary classes. Various activities including scholastic and non-scholastic like Best Out of Waste, dance, singing, art and craft, drawing, speech, Toran decoration, bottle decoration, etc. were conducted for the students. Students showcased and manifested their talents by actively participating in these activities. Conduction of these activities was highly appreciated by the parents. St. Mary's thus caters to the nurturing of potential and talents of its students.
In the month of September and October, as a part of pedagogical master plan, students from classes 9 to 12 were taken for Seva project to different places like old age homes, orphanages and slum areas to sensitize the students related to the problems and sufferings of the poor and needy, and to have a better understanding of the world around them, especially with respect to cleanliness.
Before we sign out, we would like to wish good luck to all the students of our school who would be appearing for the 10th and 12th board exams. May God bless all of you.
With this,
I, Aviral Srivastav,
and I, Priyanshi Dubey, sign
Sign out.
out, assuring all of you of keeping you all updated with the latest news in the future as well. Have a good day.
Jai Hind.